Hi everyone, my name is Habibul Rahman. This is my midterm video for computers CIS TT67. My professor name is Professor Wheeler. Today I explain about sales data. In here you can see a lot of sales data about USA. You can see a lot of data on in this sheet. What I did first, I did made some pivot table about those sales data. Then I made all of the information and made a new dashboard. You can see total sales by year, by the month. You can see the January to December total sales revenue. In the December is the highest sales revenue on the year. It's the 70,000. And the February is the lowest sales revenue by the year, and it is 18,000. Then I made sales represent. You can see the salesperson's name over there, and there some of their revenue. The magneto is the salesperson who made more money. Then tall, and the lowest salesperson is Katappa, who made lowest money. Then I made region-wise sales. The North region is the highest revenue. Then West is the lowest sum of the revenue. You can see it from this chart. Product. Then I made top 5 products at the USA. The coffee is the highest product on the USA. It is a 23.82% of its product. The lowest product, the lowest top 5 product is bed. It is a 7.85%. Then I made top 5 category about revenue. The category 1 is the highest category about its revenue. It's almost 41.18%. Then I get mad. The lowest category is category 5. You can see the total sales by year, then salesperson wise data, then top 5 category, then region wise sales, and top 5 product. This is the all of data over here. You can sense the region by click the side to side. You click this, the all of data is sense. now north, now south, now west, now east again. Salesperson by kick this. Magneto, now Ant-Man, cool. This will help you to know about the salesperson information and their total sales by year, know about the total product, the five product, then top five category, and know which region is the most region on the USA and which salesperson is the best salesperson on the in the year. So this total are important for sales company. Thank you for listening.